Did you know that you can actually use Google Maps even if you had no internet connection? Let me show you how. Okay, go to your Google Maps and select the picture on the top right, and from there you want to select offline maps in the middle there, and then select your own map, and from there you want to just highlight the border around the particular area, a country or a city. I'm going to go ahead and select London, and then select download on the bottom right there. It's going to take a little bit of time. Mine's fast forwarded here, but it might take 2 to 3 minutes to download that map depending on the size of the map, the area you go for. You can then select the 3 dots and then give it a name, rename your area or your map. Once you've done that, I'm going to go ahead and turn my Wi-Fi, my internet off, and it also obviously works even if you don't have any data as well. You can then go ahead and select the area you want to go to, and it will, if it's within the area that you've downloaded, the map that you've downloaded, it will find it quite quickly, and then you can select a direction, a place to go from, and it will load and show you the steps to get there. The only thing to note is obviously it won't give you any live traffic updates because you're working offline. Make sure you share this with someone who might find it beneficial, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.